Oh my gosh. I think we got Doobie Brothers.
Yes. And I think it might be Long Train Running.
It's Long Train Running.
Oh
my
God. Oh.
You should know these words.
I should. I just always did.
Love. What you do down now? Yeah.
Gotta drink some more coffee.
I love